All right, so I'm gonna put 200 carbs in this bottle. So I'll start with fructose. I put it in this can because it's easier. And I measured this to be 64 carbs right here. All right, so 64, 74, 84, 94. That's close enough. And this is maltodextrin, and it's 28 carbs, but I'm gonna say 30. It's math. So 30. 60. 90. It's like really full. I think that's all it's gonna fit. And this is sodium citrate. I'm gonna go 1,800 grams. Wait, is it grams? Milligrams. 1,800 milligrams. So this is for like a 3-hour ride. This looks really full, but when I put water in it and it like solidifies, it should go down to like half. So you start going down.